Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, last class we are discussed about what is meant by accountancy and what are accounting equations. Okay, so the sums also we are already given about some sums also posted in the in my YouTube channel. Okay, now we are going to the next question is journalizing of accounting. Enter the following transactions. The journal of Manohar, who is dealing in textiles 2018. Okay, 2018 March. So the dates is given, the transactions are given. Okay, so what is the date? First March 1st, Manohar started business with cash 60,000. Okay, the date 2, purchase furniture for cash 10,000. Date 3, bought goods for cash 25,000. Date 6, bought goods from Kamalesh on credit 15,000. Date 8, sold goods for cash 28,000. Date 10, sold goods to Hari on credit 10,000. Date 14, paid Kamalesh 12,000. Date 18, paid rent 500 rupees. Date 25, received from Hari 8,000. And date 28, withdraw cash for personal use 4,000. The transactions are given in the accounting. So what is transaction? So transaction is nothing but the day-to-day transactions are having in the business. So recording in the books of account is called transaction. Okay. So this is the basic. This is a basic or a primary entry of bookkeeping. Okay. This is now we are going to the journal account of Mr. Manohar as on 2018. First we have to table column. We have to write table column. So date column, particular column, LF. What is LF? LF means ledger folio. What is ledger folio? This is the first accounting of the bookkeeping, which means journalizing is the first accounting of bookkeeping. The second is ledger account. There are 6 accounts in the balance sheet in our business balance sheet. What is profit or loss? We should find out with the help of 6 accounting. So already I posted accounting cycles. The first cycle of accounting is journalizing. Okay. The next account is ledger. Okay. The third is trial balance. Fourth one trading account. Fifth profit loss account, and last sixth one is balance sheet. Okay, the first step of accounting cycle is the first step of journalizing we have to learn about. Okay, so debit column and credit column. Okay, the first question is already told, Manohar started business with cash. Okay, so in our business, in our journal, how to maintain the accounts. So already we have told that accounting golden rules. So what is accounting golden rules? You know well, accounting golden rules are real account, nominal account and personal account. Okay, so we have to maintain in real account. Okay, in real account, so what is the debit and what is the credit of transaction? So in real account, debit is what comes in and the credit is what goes out. Okay, in our business, what comes in, what goes out. In our business, what comes in, what goes out. So first, so business started with cash. Manohar, business started with cash. This is the narration. So okay, so business started with cash. Who is invested in the business? Manohar is invested in the business. Okay, so what comes in our business? What comes in? Cash comes in. Okay, so cash account data. What comes in? What goes out? What comes in? What goes out? We should maintain in the debit and credit. Okay, so Manohar is invested in the business. Cash comes in. Okay, so cash account data to Manohar's capital account. 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees is invested in the business. Okay, the next question is the next transaction is purchase furniture for cash. Purchased furniture for cash. In our business, furniture will be comes in our business. Okay, so with the help of cash paid, so cash is out, goes out, cash. What comes in? Furniture comes in. Okay, so furniture account data to cash account. Okay, so 10,000 rupees furniture account data to cash account 10,000 rupees. The value of furniture is comes in 10,000 rupees. The value of cash will paid 10,000 rupees. Okay, in outer column. Okay, so purchase furniture for cash in direction. Okay, then date 3, bought goods for cash. Bought goods for cash. This account is not mentioned what goods are purchased. So simply bought goods for cash. Okay, so we have to write purchase account data. Okay, so which is which product is purchased, they are not given. Okay, so simply bought goods. Bought means purchase. So we have to write also purchase account data to cash account for cash. So for cash paying. Okay, so purchase account data to cash account, we have to 25,000 in debit column and as well as credit column 25,000. In narration, bought goods for cash. Okay, so each and every transaction we should maintain each and every column. Okay, then date 6, what? Bought goods from Kamalesh. Bought goods from Kamalesh. We have to purchase in Kamalesh without paying cash. Okay, so in credit transaction, so purchase account data to Kamalesh account. So purchased any products we have to purchase in our business. So in our business, purchase goods is comes in. So what goods is not mentioned. Okay, so purchase account data to Kamalesh account. Why Kamalesh account is recorded? Because of not paying. Okay, because of credit purchase. So we have to purchase. We have to paying the purchasing of amount after we will pay, inshallah. Okay, so to Kamalesh account is outer column. So 15,000 rupees goods are comes in our business, then we will paid after 15,000 rupees in Kamalesh. Okay, so bought goods from Kamalesh. Okay, then date 8, what? Cash sales. In our business, we have to sales the products. In our business, we have to sell the product for cash. So cash comes in, so product will be goes. So what purpose products goods will be goes on? So sales, we have to sell on the goods. So cash will be comes for cash. Okay, so cash account data to sales account. 28,000 cash is received, then 28,000 of goods will be sent to the customer. Okay, then date 10, Hari account data. Sorry, first sold goods to Hari on credit. Sold goods to Hari on credit. So in our business transaction, so we have to sell the product on credit, not receiving cash immediately, not receive the cash. So credit sales will be to the Hari account. Okay, so Hari will be purchasing in our business on credit. Okay, so at the same time in our business we have to sell. Okay, sell them to the Hari. So who is comes in? So Hari will be comes in because of they will be paid in after. Okay, so they will be paid after. So Hari's account data to sales account. In our products will be, our goods will be sent. Okay, cash will not received. So at the same time Hari will be maintained Hari account data to sales account because of our goods will be sent. So at the same time Hari will be comes in because of cash will be not paid. In after they will be paid. Okay, then date 14, Kamalesh paid Kamalesh. Date 14, paid Kamalesh. What paid Kamalesh? In the account of we have to credit purchased. We have to credit purchase on date 6. Date 6 purchase account data. We have to purchase on Kamalesh. Okay, at the date of date 6, we have to purchase credit purchase 15,000 rupees. We have to date 14. After the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. After the 1 week, the 8th day, we have to paid on Kamalesh in the cash of 12,000. So we have to purchase on how much? 15,000. So 12,000 we will be first installment, which means first we have to pay 12,000. Okay. Then after we have to 3,000 we will pay inshallah. So that's why 12,000 rupees first we have to pay. Okay. So on Kamalesh account data to cash account because of paid Kamalesh. So cash will be goes out. Okay, cash will be goes out. who is given the who is received? The Kamalesh is received. The Kamalesh, who is the Kamalesh? The Kamalesh is the person we have to purchase on credit, purchase on Kamalesh. Okay, so we have to paid the 12,000 rupees on Kamalesh. So paid to Kamalesh. Then narration. Then date 18, paid rent. What is paid rent? So paid rent, the in our business we have to rent rentally any goods, any machines or any others we have to in account of rent. So we have to paid. So paid means cash will be goes out. So automatically what comes in? Rent will be comes in. So rent account data to cash account. So already I told that in real account what comes in, what goes out. The mainly we have to concern about the cash is comes in or cash is goes out. This is a very important of the journal account. Okay, so cash will be goes out. Automatically rent will be comes in. So rent account data to cash account, paid rent. Then let's next date 25, received from Hari. Received from Hari. So already date 10, Hari account data to sales account. We have to credit sales on Hari. You know, so date 10 we have to credit sales to the 10,000 rupees of Hari. So the Hari will be paid. Okay, the Hari will be paid on the date of 25. Okay, 8,000 rupees will be paid. Okay, so cash will be comes in. Then who is given? Hari is given. So cash account data to Hari account 8,000 rupees. Okay, cash will be comes in. Who is given? Hari will be given 8,000 rupees. Okay, then last transactions of the journal is drawing cash for personal use. Okay, so drawing cash for personal use, not usage for business. Okay, they will be own use in the business of the cash. They will will be taken to the own purpose. Okay, not business purpose to not business purpose to take a cash. So one use of cash will be taken in the business. So drawings. Okay, so drawings account data to cash account. Drawings account data to cash account. So withdraw cash for personal use. This is the recording of journalizing, the first step of accounting. Okay, so first step of accounting is journalizing. Okay, dear students, then next, dear students, I hope to all very well understanding. I hope inshallah. If you doubt any doubt, please comment to me and subscribe, share and like to me. Okay, like button, bell button, please press. Then if you doubt any doubt, comments to me. Inshallah, I will clarify the accountancy. Okay, thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.